Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to show you some acetate little tote bags, like little purses. This is like the new thing now that everyone's making. I followed the tutorial from Amy. She's Amy L Crafts here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. I will put the links to her channel and her Instagram in the description bar. So go follow because her tutorial was super easy. And once you kind of get to know what you're doing, I guess you can make them any size you want. So I started with the small one, and then I kind of did a medium, and then I did a large. They're not filled up with anything yet, but let me show you what they have. Well, what they look like. So I made this one, and with all of them, I'm using the polka doodle dolls, and I got glue strings everywhere. Okay, so you know what? Hold on. Let me just push this higher. Okay. So this is the small one. And I think it came out really cute. I put the pom-poms all around. This one, I just did Winnie and one flower and a bow on the top. This one here is 4 1/4 by 2, and the height is 4 3/4. So it's a nice little size, and you put your goodies inside. None of them have goodies yet, but it's perfect to add, your little Happy Meal. So that was that one. And then I did this one. I think this one came out really cute too. And I also did the not the acetate, okay, here we go. Oh my God, what's that sheet that you put through that machine that makes it hot and it seals it? Laminating, that sheet. Anyway, so I took a laminating sheet, opened it up, sprinkled some these things. Oh my God, shaker bits, and then I closed it and I put it through the lamination machine. So that's why it looks like that. This one, I didn't show you that one. So this one has little ones and big ones. So it just gives it a little something something. So it's not just plain acetate. Then this one I put Winnie with some dolls. Some foam flowers. I added 4 bows, which now I'm like, oh, I'm just using up my damn bows. I should have just put 2. But anyway, and as you can tell, this is a different bow. I only had 3 of the same ones. And then I'm like, I should have put this one here. Whatever. It's like once you do it and you're like, damn it, I already hot glue the damn thing. But anyway, but this is it. This is the medium one. Look how cute. And then once you kind of get the hang of it, I made a bigger one. And the bigger one is 5 inches by 3 3/4. So this one's definitely bigger. And in this one, I used Helga, which I think she looks adorable. I did the same thing, the big pom-poms. To this one, I only used 2 bows in the front. I did not do anything to the back because I was like, I'm not going to be using up all my bows. And then this adorable little tassel is from Lisa, and she's the Happy Crafter. And I'll put a link to her channel also. And look how cute. Really cute. So yeah, these were my 3 little acetate purses. Now I just got to fill them up with goodies. So don't forget to go ahead and follow Amy so you can see the easy tutorial and make your little tote bags. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.